Hi everyone, welcome to a super quick tutorial on how to access Schoology. So this is not going to be our in-depth training that we'll have later on this week and forthcoming trainings. This is just how to get to Schoology. So if you're new here, which if you're watching this video you probably are, we are just going to dig into the surface level. What is Schoology? What are they talking about? How do I get there? So if you don't know, my name is Nicole Vargas and I am the digital learning coach for Spring High School. So I already have my Spring ISD portal saved as a bookmark here, you can see. So if you don't already have that, I would recommend doing so. It's just, you're gonna be on it a lot, so it's easier just to access that way. So I'll click my Spring ISD, and this is gonna take me to the portal. Eventually. There we go. Okay, so once I log into the portal, and if you haven't logged in, of course you would be prompted to log in. Mine is just automatically signed in. And there's going to be a bunch of apps. So you're looking for the blue app that says Schoology. So just look for the big S, and then you'll click that. Again, if you haven't logged in, you'll have to log in. It should be the same login, username and password as when you log into your Spring ISD laptop. Okay, so upon logging in, you're going to see this sort of interface here. I'll know that I'm logged in because I have my name and my picture right here, almost like a social media account that many of you are probably familiar with. So again, this is how you get in. Now, just a quick glance as to what you would probably be clicking on from here. So you have your courses. This is essentially your classes. One quick note, do not start playing with this because what will happen is the district they'll import your classes, and so you want to keep those classes. Don't touch them, don't change the name of them, because what you could do is you'll risk them not being able to merge with the grade book. One of the beautiful things about Schoology is it makes it a lot easier for you to have automatic grades. So messing with the courses and changing names is going to interrupt that. So you just want to leave those alone. Let the district import your courses, they'll import your students. We'll deal with fine-tuning intricacies from there, but for the most part, just know that that's where your courses are housed. Then of course there's groups. Groups is your special way to handpick people that are maybe in your PLC group, or if you are sponsoring the chess team or the 10th grade class officers, you can create little groups and communicate with them through Schoology groups. So that's this tab. And then resources is a great way for you to start sort of storing your electronic resources that maybe you're not ready to put into a course, but you want to start gathering them. And another thing is there's some public resources in here that people from all around the country have input into the resources tab, and you can actually pull them out and put them in your own course. So what's really cool about Schoology is it's not just you recreating the wheel or putting work in that you have that you've used in the past. Other people have things that you can take, and so that's really cool. Again, we'll talk about that more in depth on Thursday's training in the morning. But for now, just know how to get to my Spring ISD portal, how to access this page, what this looks like, make sure you can log in. And again, know that courses, groups, and resources, those will be three of the things that you're going to the most. Real quick, if I click on courses, it's going to look something like this. Again, similar to a social media platform. And then from here, I can change the settings of a course. I can add materials like folders, tests, quizzes, YouTube videos, updates, all types of things. I can access my grade book. I can see the members that are in the course. There's a lot for you to do. Again, that will come at a later date. So for now, just know that this is how you log in, and this is the platform we are utilizing. So you want to just become familiar. Just don't mess with your courses. Let them come from the district. That's the only big red flag. Okay, so we will definitely get more in depth with this. So if you have questions, I will drop my email in the PowerPoint being shared in today's training. But you can access this just to sort of refresh your memory on how to get there until you become familiar. All right. Thanks for tuning in.